It's important to us to be local and a small company that is big enough to serve our large customer base, but also small enough to care about our customers, remember their names when we come back year in after year out, and be there to answer the phone when they've got problems. As a local business, our name is like everything. You know, one of the national franchises, they may be able to rely on a bigger corporate name, but as a small business, Windura, being a dealer here in Kansas City, our name is everything. And you read our Google reviews, you find that our team takes care of our customers, and it's really important to us to be part of that community and helping our friends and our neighbors with all their window and door problems. So being local, being a small business that is large enough to help serve our customer base is something that we're always going to be. Some of the things that we do as a local business is when you call in, you're going to talk to a Windura person. We have a small staff that answers the phone. You may get a voicemail, but she will call you back by the end of the day, and you're gonna talk to somebody, one, who knows the area, who knows homes like yours, and who knows windows and doors that we sell. We focus on the Kansas City market, you know, within 30 to 45 minutes of our office right here at 91st and Quivira, because we know the homes in this area, and it enables us to develop expertise in the problems that happen to homes in Kansas City, and then develop solutions that we can then deliver time and time again to all of our customers.